Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I'm going to tell you guys about Skoltech scholarships. So these are scholarships that are being offered by Russian government, and Skoltech is basically an institute that is offering these scholarships. So it is a fully funded scholarship, and it requires no IELTS, and there is no application fee to apply in this scholarship. And it is offering both master as well as PhD programs. So to apply we will go on Google and we will type here scholarshipsguides.com. So in the right side we will see a list of different scholarships, and on the top here you will click on scholarships and then click on Russian scholarships. Okay, so we will click on Skoltech University Scholarships 2024. Here is a basic introduction of university that is offering this scholarship. It is a Russian university in Moscow. It was established in 2011. So here it is the eligibility criteria. All countries are eligible, and for masters we have to be completed bachelor degree, and for PhD we have to obtain master degree. So here is the complete list of the documents that are required to apply for this scholarship. Okay, here is scholarship coverage, and there are different programs that are being offered for this scholarship. अब इस स्कॉलरशिप में मास्टर और पीएचडी दोनों प्रोग्राम्स ऑफर किए जा रहे हैं. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं पीएचडी प्रोग्राम्स में ये वाले प्रोग्राम्स ऑफर किए जा रहे हैं. So to apply for this scholarship we will click over here. So we will go on this university portal. Okay, so we are already in admissions section. Here there are requirements and deadlines. We can check its requirements over here. Okay, so if we are applying for MSc programs, then we will click over here. Here is application dates. So its deadline is till 15th of July, and MSc programs list is given over here. You can see here different programs such as data science, advanced computational science, petroleum engineering, and many others. You can check your program from here, and then we have application process. We have to just click over here. Okay, so for online application we will click here. So here is the portal that we need to fill. We will just write our first name, then you will select your country. In my case it's Pakistan, so I will write my phone number. Then we have to mention email. Okay, so here you will click on the program that you want to study at the Skoltech University. So if I want to study MSc, then I will select masters. Here are different programs that are being offered. I will select material science. Then we have to select country of citizenship. In my case it's Pakistan, so I will click on it. Then you have to check it and then press continue. ठीक हो गया, तो हमें ये कंप्लीट फॉर्म फिल करना है फिर. So we have to write last name over here. Sorry. So I will write my last name over here. Okay. So here there are different educational tracks. You have to select any one of these. I select over here. Okay, then you have to upload your photo. Select file. I upload it. Okay, after uploading your photo you have to select your gender, whether it is male or female. I will select male. Then you have to write your date of birth. Okay, your current country of residence. I will write Pakistan over here. City of residence. You can write accordingly. How did you hear about Skoltech? Social media and internet. Okay, then you have to click save. We have completed our profile. Now we have to add educational details and professional details. For educational details, first I will write university name, then type of degree earned. So I earned bachelor degree, therefore I am selecting bachelor's degree. Date of degree awarded. So you have to write here the date when you were graduated. So I will write my graduation date. Then you have to write our CGPA. Out of, you have to write here total CGPA and your obtained CGPA. Then you have to write, upload different files, degree and transcript. I will upload degree first. Okay, then I will upload transcript. I'm just uploading random files, but you have to upload the right files. Okay, then I will click here save button. So we have completed our educational details. Now if we have any professional details or work experience, that we will add over here. Professional details, here we have to upload our CV. I will upload a random document. Okay, now we have to upload your motivational letter. Okay, English level. You can select according to yourself. Then we have to upload 2 recommendation letters from your previous university. Very top files, these are not necessary, these are optional. University of language of instruction is English, you have to select here. Okay, we will first upload recommendation letters. There are 2 methods. One is to request it from the professors and other one is to upload it. You can upload it if you have already these letters. I will click on OK. Why there is an error? Upload recommendation. I don't know why it is showing an error. Okay, so you will upload two recommendation letters over here. Then English language proficiency. You have to select university language of instruction is English if you don't have any English proficiency tests. If you have any, then you can select. I don't have, so I will select university language of instruction is English. Then you have to upload English proficiency certificate over here. I can upload it. Okay. Then you have any other documents or awards or any work experience, internships, publications, etc. You have to upload over here. Then you will click on save button and your application will be completed, and then you have to click on submit application button and your application will be submitted. So it's the complete procedure to apply for this university. Okay, thank you.